So today we are going to make a holiday cupcake. For making this cupcake, add half cup of maida, 1/4 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, pinch of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. So now we have to whisk it with a fork. Now add 1 spoon of butter, vanilla extract, 1 spoon of condensed milk and 1/4 cup of milk. Now whisk it nicely again so that lumps will not be formed. You can see the consistency. So once you whisk it, finally add 1/4 cup of milk again and whisk it lightly. You can add some chocolate chips on top if you like. Now keep it in the oven for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Our spongy cupcake is ready for serving. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share.